Hello, this is Afro Coders Hub. On this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu version 24.04 LTS. The LTS basically is just a version which stands for long-term support, and it's lighter to download. That means you can download it faster and it's less megabyte to download. There are other versions of Ubuntu listed here where you can find all the details, system requirements, and how to install it. But for today, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Ubuntu on your Windows operating system, which might be your current operating system for your computer. There are different methods on installing Ubuntu, but on this video I'm going to show you how to install it or how to do it on a virtual box. A virtual box, which is a program that virtualizes your computer and it creates different virtual machine where you can download different operating systems without impacting your base operating system and your computer without damaging it. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you have to download two things. The first is the Ubuntu ISO file and also the Oracle VirtualBox from the links. So in order to do that, you have to download, like I've said, the two things. Create for the VirtualBox, which is a program that I have explained it to you before, which can create different virtual machines with different operating system on your computer, and you can run them without impacting your computer. So you can download it in the link, which I'll place it on the description below. So I'll go ahead and download it for Windows, and this will download immediately. Since I have already started downloading it, no need to repeat the process again. I should only do the installation process with you guys. So the next so the second thing is to download Ubuntu. So go ahead again to the link on the description, and here you're gonna find the Ubuntu version 24 on this link, ubuntu.com/download/desktop, which is the latest version for now. You will create the download here, and this will start to download the ISO file that which you need to install it. After installing that, let's now start the installation process. I will fast forward this recording and meet you guys after the download finished. Now the downloading is done. Let's start to install Ubuntu into our virtual machine. So what we have to do is to open the VirtualBox application, VirtualBox, the Oracle VirtualBox. After installing it, we have to open the VirtualBox software, and here in the VirtualBox you can create different virtual machines. On here, what you have to do is to click on new here, and here you have to put name. Let's call it Ubuntu, and here I'll choose Linux. It's like a default. We will choose the ISO file from the downloads folder by browsing it. Then we'll leave this Ubuntu 64 bits as a default and hit next. This would lead us to a place where we can change the username. Let's say it's Linux, and change the password to 1234 and hit next. Then we would fill the memory and also the processor. So I'll pick two processors and around 2048 megabyte. And here I'll choose the amount of hard disk and also the amount. Let's make it 25 GB for the software or inside the hard disk. This would be your personal preference. It will depend on your personal preference and your current computer status. And here we'll then click next. Then you have to leave the options here and hit finish. Hit finish. The operating system that you have installed is running. It will, as a default, it will generate, or it will start by itself. So it's now in the running state, as we can see here. So that Ubuntu running now. It's loading. This might take a while till it starts. Now it's already done. We can see the UI. Let's wait for it till it installs Ubuntu. So we can simply see. We can also make it a full screen. View full screen mode. Switch to full screen. So it would switch to a full screen. Here I'm going to choose the language that you prefer. I'll pick English and hit next. Then here we will get an accessibility in Ubuntu preferences. Hit next for the keyboard layout. For connection, wireless connections, hit next. Then we'll say install Ubuntu, interactive installation and automatic installation. I'm going to pick the interactive, the default one. Default selection, hit next, and install third-party softwares for graphics and Wi-Fi hard drives or hardwares. Download and install support for additional media formats. I'll click pause and hit next. I'll hit next. Here we are going to fill the name or an account for signing in, and also we will put a password 1234. It will show us here that the password is weak, so let's add some characters. Let's add Afro Coder here, Afro Coder. So we'll hit next. We'll pick the timeline or the time zone and hit next. Then finally we'll try to install. It might take a while. I'll fast forward this video and show you the final result. Okay, that take a bit of time. Installation is now complete. It's ready to run. So you can see this is the operating system Ubuntu 24. It's really good and really fast. You can use it for anything and it's responds very smoothly. You can run the terminal and run different commands and do anything for development. Okay guys, this was our video for today. I hope you like it. Please smash like button if you do, and also subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next video. Bye.